I'll wait for some other people to play, to join. So, okay, we'll go to Dom's. Let's do it. Yeah, we should invite some people. I'll just invite these people for now. Not a lot, but we just started. Oh shoot. What did I do? Okay. This code. So wait at the let's do a start for role play today, I guess. Okay, let's go. I'll go get a house. Maybe that girl wants to go get a house. Maybe she's... Okay, let's see what she wants. Gosh, I'm just hitting everything today. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that girl. Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Ma'am? Whoa. Oh my gosh. Dang. That is crazy. Oh, you can't spell today. It's okay, here. Okay, she's fine. I don't know. Yeah. This girl needs to go get a house because I don't know what she's doing. I think... Here, I'm gonna go to the grocery store fast. Where's she going? I thought the houses were the other way. Okay, I'm at the store. What should I buy? Okay, let's buy some chips. Oh my gosh. A winter storm is on the way. Find shelter. Oh my gosh, we need to get back to the house. Okay. Let's hurry up. We need to find a house fast. Oh my gosh, what if it starts snowing? Here, I need a... Looks like... Let me check the weather real fast. Oh, it looks like it's already starting to snow. Oh my gosh. Oh no. It's a blizzard. The storm's here. We need to probably get to our house. Maybe we should go to the shelter. Oh shoot. The roads are so slippery. Oh my gosh. Look at my truck. My truck. Oh no. Sirens are on. We need to go. Let's go. Maybe the girl was in the shelter in my house. We need to get somewhere. Let me stay with her. Ma'am, excuse me. Can I stay with you? Okay. Get inside, get inside. think the siren stopped. Oh my gosh, 10 to 15 inches of snow. Maybe the power... Oh, the generator kicked back on. Oh my gosh, we are cooked. Here, I need to go out there and start... Oh, she's going to Starbucks. Okay, I guess I'll go to Starbucks then too. Let's open the garage. Okay, we need to hurry. Oh my gosh, I stopped. Maybe this is a miracle, like... Oh, never mind, it started snowing again. What do you want me to do? I just need to go slow and try not to get into a car. No one hits me. Okay. Oh my god. Someone just hit us. Oh my gosh. These roads are so slippery. Oh my gosh, we need extinction information. This is terrible. Okay. Ma'am, are you okay? Ma'am, here, I need to get your insurance. Otherwise, I need to call the police. I need your ID. Like, now. I am not going to have this. You just wrecked my brand new truck. I'm gonna call the police right now. Wait, please come back. Okay. We are gonna just go back home. Forget about that. Oh, this girl's coming. She just tried to hit me. I need to call the police. I'm gonna stay right here. Maybe she'll stay closer. Hello? 911? This girl, she's hitting me. You're on your way? Okay. Okay. Bye. Okay. Looks like the cops are on their way. Okay. The police are on their way. I don't know how they're getting through the snowstorm now. So we just have to wait here. Maybe that girl will come back because I don't want to have to chase her. This blizzard is actually crazy. Oh my gosh, when is that girl gonna cop is gonna get? He's taking forever. And I'm freezing. Where's that cop? go get that. There was this girl, and like she's like hitting me, and she was my neighbor, and she was being nice, and then she hit me, and she damaged my truck really bad, and I'm so mad because she's just like mean all the time, and I need her information, I need her video set, I need a statement, I need her IDs, and I need her insurance because she hit my truck, and literally she didn't shovel her driveway this morning, and I slipped and fell, and I literally broke all my lemons that I got from this grocery store, and I want to sue her for that because she didn't salt herself. It is crazy out here. Can you do that for me? Okay. Okay. Okay, you're gonna arrest her? Okay, thank you, sir. Have a good day.